Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore cozy bedroom ideas you can try to completely transform your space. Your bedroom is not just where you sleep, it's your personal retreat, a place to relax, recharge, and feel at peace. That's why investing some thought into it can make a huge difference in your daily life. Let's dive into practical, creative, and affordable ways to create a warm and inviting bedroom. First, let's start with the bed, the centerpiece of every bedroom. Layering your bed with soft sheets, warm blankets, and plenty of cushions instantly makes it cozy. Use neutral or warm tone bedding and then add a textured throw for extra comfort. Even just changing your pillow covers seasonally can refresh the entire look. Next, lighting plays a huge role in creating a cozy atmosphere. Instead of relying only on harsh overhead lights, use bedside lamps, floor lamps, or fairy lights. Warm-toned bulbs create a softer and more relaxing vibe than bright white lights. Candles are also a great option if you want a romantic or calming feel. Now, let's talk about rugs. Adding a soft rug near your bed adds both comfort and style. It's perfect for chilly mornings when you step out of bed. Choose rugs in neutral colors or playful patterns depending on your style. Curtains are another underrated element. Heavy curtains in soft fabrics can make your room feel cozy and private. If you prefer a light and airy vibe, go with sheer curtains that allow sunlight to filter through. The way light enters your room really affects the mood. Greenery is a must-have in cozy bedroom use. Even a single plant on your nightstand or hanging near a window can bring life into the room. If you're not good at maintaining real plants, you can always use good quality artificial ones. Plants add freshness, reduce stress, and make any space feel more alive. Another important detail is wall color. Soft, calming shades like beige, light gray, pastel blue, or sage green create a soothing environment. Avoid very bright or neon colors in the bedroom, as they can feel overwhelming. If painting the entire room feels like too much, just try an accent wall with a textured wallpaper. Now let's discuss storage and organization. Clutter instantly takes away from a cozy vibe. Make use of baskets, under-bed storage, or stylish shelves to keep everything organized. The less mess you see, the more peaceful your room will feel. Personal touches are also essential. Decorate with framed photos, artwork, or souvenirs that remind you of happy moments. A few well-chosen pieces can make the room feel more you without overcrowding it. Even a small shelf with candles, books, or a lamp can become a cozy corner. Textures are another secret to coziness. Mix and match materials like cotton, linen, velvet, or faux fur. A variety of textures adds depth and warmth to the room. Try a chunky knit blanket or a faux fur pillow for instant comfort. Now let's talk about the headboard. A padded or upholstered headboard can make your bed look more inviting. If you don't want to buy one, you can DIY with fabric and cushions. This small detail changes the entire look of your room. Scent is also part of photo fault. Using scented candles, essential oil diffusers, or incense sticks can enhance the cozy feel. Scents like lavender, vanilla, or sandalwood are especially calming. Never underestimate how much scent influences the atmosphere of a room. Another way to make your room cozy is with layered lighting. Use a mix of string lights, bedside lamps, and maybe even wall sconces. This layered approach lets you adjust the mood depending on the time of day. It also makes the space more versatile for reading, relaxing, or sleeping. Let's not forget wall. Let's not forget wall vis. It doesn't need much space, but it can become your favorite spot. A few stacked books on a nightstand also add charm. Don't ignore the floor. If your room feels plain, a stylish floor lamp, beanbag, or even floor cushions can add comfort. Low seating and layered rugs create a casual and inviting vibe. This works especially well for smaller apartments or shared spaces. Another trick is to play with colors and patterns in bedding. For example, mix plain sheets with patterned cushions or throws. This adds personality without being overwhelming. Balance is the key. Too many patterns can make it look messy. Now let's talk about furniture. Instead of filling the room with bulky furniture, focus on a few statement pieces. A minimalist approach actually makes the room feel more cozy and open. Choose bedside tables with drawers, a comfortable chair, or a stylish bench at the foot of the bed. Don't forget about technology. Try to keep your bedroom a tech-free zone if possible. Removing distractions like TV or loud gadgets helps the room stay peaceful. If you must keep tech, organize wires neatly and avoid clutter around your bedside. Seasonal updates can also keep your room fresh. In summer, use lighter fabrics like cotton sheets and pastel colors. In winter, switch to heavier blankets, deeper colors, and warm lighting. Changing with the seasons keeps your space exciting. Finally, remember that coziness is personal. It doesn't have to follow trends, it should reflect what makes you feel relaxed. Some people love minimal spaces, while others enjoy colorful and filled rooms. The best is the one that makes you happy every time you walk in. So, whether it's layering your bed, adding warm lighting, bringing in plants, or keeping the room organized, every little change counts. Your bedroom doesn't need a huge budget to feel like a sanctuary. With just a few thoughtful updates, you can turn it into a space that feels warm, inviting, and truly yours. Thanks for watching, and I hope these ideas inspired you to start your own bedroom makeover today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more home tips, and share your favorite idea in the comments below.